Welcome to your 5-minute tricep burnout. We're starting on the floor. These are 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off. You're gonna give me tricep dips to begin with as your first move, starting now. 20 seconds of these. Make sure you're bringing your elbow all the way back, like you're trying to touch the wall behind you with your elbows. If you want an added intensity here, you can extend your legs out farther. And if you want less intensity, you can bring your legs in more. Stopping here, rest. That was just a little primer for your body, primer for your biceps. Your next move, you're gonna give me one-legged tricep dips. So take one leg up, you can fully extend or you can bend or you can do a figure four. Up to you, what you want to do. I will fully extend, starting now. Tip it back. Remember to breathe. And again, bringing those elbows back. Don't bring them out to the sides. They're not angled out. They're going straight back. That's how you burn your triceps out. Almost there. And time. Of course, we gotta even out our sides. You're gonna bring your alternating leg up. So, for me, it'll be my left leg. Again, I'm gonna keep it straight, but you can always bend for figure four. Starting right now. Let's do it. Keep your eyes on the prize. You should be feeling this in your triceps. Those are the muscles that are working the most right now. If you're feeling it anywhere else that's more than your triceps, you're not doing it right. And woo! Time. Here comes the final kicker. This is gonna be the ultimate tricep challenge for you. You're gonna hold in a chaturanga, which is a halfway push-up. You can be on your knees or you can be on your toes, up to you. Holding that for 20 seconds. Let's go down now. Woo! This is gonna burn, everyone. Tuck in that pelvis. Engage the core. If you're shaking, that's good. I'm really feeling this. And, whoa! Oh, much needed child's pose right here. We're at the top of the ladder. So these are ladder climbs. You're at the fourth, which is the top of the ladder, which means we gotta come down the ladder, starting with that same move again. Again, you can be on your knees for less intensity. Starting right now. Woo! Make sure you're not folding in your neck, keeping your neck elongated. Spine is straight. Pushing back on your heel. Woo! Yes. Okay, the hardest part is over. We're coming back down the ladder, starting with single leg tricep extensions. I'm gonna start on the leg that I last put up. So that'll be the left leg. Starting now. If you didn't fully extend your leg on the last time, just give yourself a little challenge here. See if you can. If you can't, that's totally fine. And if you want to just take it down a notch, again, you can always just bend that leg a little bit. Almost there. Woo! Are you all feeling it in your triceps? I am definitely feeling the burn. So got 2 more moves left, starting with your right leg up. If that's the first leg you put up, here it comes. On this round, I'm really focusing on bringing my elbows back, making sure that they're going straight back towards the wall and not out to the sides. And also got to keep that leg up. Just a few more seconds here. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I need a nice stretch right there. And the last, final move of this ladder. Good old tricep dips. Both feet on the ground. If you want more challenge, keep your legs out. If you don't, keep them closer to your butt. And let's get it. Last round here. And play around around here with your feet position. You can go out just a little bit more. Yeah, maybe just a little bit more. Let's try it. Can you fully extend? See what that feels like. It's all about playing around here. Well, that really burns. I'm gonna bring it back. Woo! And that is it, my friends. That's your 5-minute tricep burn. I love that tiger sound. It just makes me feel so ferocious. You're getting it. All my workouts are short and sweet, but super effective. So come back for more.